Do you want to learn how to make $500 per day copy trading the best meme coin traders available on the Solana blockchain? We can see this trader literally bought the first minute that this coin launched on Radium, and he made hundreds of thousands of percent gains trading these meme coins. I'm going to show you how to find these top meme coin traders, how to set up your own profitable copy trading bot, and then begin profiting as these top meme coin traders are making money in this bull market. If you enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe as it supports the channel. I just released my copy trading masterclass where I show you the best copy trading strategies. I even show you strategies that I'm never going to release to the public. This is how I'm super consistent, making money every week with copy trading, and now you can get full access and watch all of the videos directly on my website. So the first step is we do need to find some top trending meme coins, because within those top trending meme coins, we'll be able to find some of the best meme coin traders. Then from there, we can analyze these traders using a specific Telegram trading bot that I'll go through later on in the video. And then straight through there, we can actually begin copy trading once we found a really good target. So we'll begin here on Deck Screener, come over to this top right-hand side on the filters section, all platforms, click on Solana, because I only love to trade Solana meme coins. Also select Radium. So I'm just going to select the best blockchain for meme coins and then the top decentralized exchange for meme coins as well. Now right here, the minimum market cap I do want to look for, let's put in 250,000. I don't want to see coins below 250,000. Let's actually put something like 85 million. Also don't want to see coins above that 85 million market cap. I'm always finding that really the sweet spot to find coins is around 800,000 market cap, all the way up to around that 5 million is truly the perfect sweet spot, because if you can get something to push to around that 100 million, if you can get in close to the million mark, that's 100x. Even if you get in at the 5 million mark, there's still a solid 20x. Overall pair age is quite important. I'll put the minimum pair age as just 3 hours, but I'll also put the maximum age as 200 hours. So basically, I won't be looking at any coins under 3 hours or over roughly 8 days old. The reason this is I do want to find just the latest trending coins, and I don't want to see coins that are too old, because I want to find some of the latest meme coin traders who are making a lot of money. One thing I do like to put in is even 24-hour volume. So let's just make sure this coin at least has $50,000 in 24-hour volume. Then we hit apply. Now we'll wait for that to load. We'll also hit profile at the top to ensure the overall token has a profile. And now it's already been selected, but here I want to go by volume. So I want to go by the top volume coins, and I can see some right here. Just today have traded 25 million, 22 million, even all the way down to 10 million, 8 million. So I do like to see coins that are having a lot of volume, and even we can see the pair age. This one is 13 hours old, 2 days old, 15 hours, 4 days, 5 hours. So within my specific time frame that I was looking for. So we can just open, let's just go with the top 3. That's really enough. But truly you can use this strategy and do it for many hours to actually create your complete own portfolio of copy trading targets. It's very, very effective once you find some super profitable traders that actually have an extremely high trade ROI, which is something I go through in extreme depth in my copy trading masterclass. So here you can see we have opened up one of the biggest trending coins in terms of volume. There's a lot of volume coming in today. It's nearly doubled or tripled in terms of price since earlier this morning. Overall, it's clearly making a bit of a stair-stepping pattern to the upside, but overall in terms of technical analysis, we're not too worried with the technical analysis because we're trying to find the top traders for this coin. Deck Screener does show you some of the top traders. You can go by top P&L and actually find the top traders and see how much money they're making. But the best way to do this is to use a Telegram trading tool. So we'll come over, show the sidebar, and in this top right hand section, we can copy the contract address. I'm going to use that, come over to Telegram, and here in TradeWiz, use their menu section, come over to smart money, locate smart money for a specific token, and now you actually paste in the token contract address. I'll leave the link for TradeWiz in this video description. You get a massive 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees, and you actually get completely free access to this smart money feature, their other smart wallet feature, and also copy trading, which I will be going over very, very soon. So here we've now got the top addresses already provided for us for this specific coin. So TradeWiz has analyzed this coin and given us the top traders in terms of profit, and also you can see their ROI. So we click on the top trader, click on start, and we'll have a look. So now once we hit start, it's going to analyze all of this trader's trades to actually see here. This trader's made nearly $700,000 in the last 7 days. We can go in the last 24 hours and see, wow, he's up over $200,000. We can see in the last 7 days. We can also go to the last 30 days and see, wow, he's up $1.6 million. His win rate, 60%, which is really good to see. He has 12,000 trades, which may be showing that he's actually using a bot. A lot of the times he has a really low amount of buys. So you can see this left number is actually the buys. This right number is the sells. So he's buying in with a low amount of entries, but he's selling with quite a high amount of entries. Even this single buy number is really, really good. It actually shows that he's entering for roughly $800 per buy, and he's able to make a lot of money. This would be nearly a fantastic trader. One of the only things is here, he's probably trading a little bit too much. 1 buy and 26 sells with 1 minute in between each trade is just a little bit too short. You do want a few minutes in between each copy trade. Even 2 to 3 minutes would be advised, because otherwise it's hard to copy the buy, copy the sell, and actually get a really good transaction price. So overall, this would be a decent target, but not really a perfect one, especially when you look at his transactions. We'd even have to calculate how much we're going to spend on transaction fees. Next, we can just move on to the second trader. So we come back up to the top addresses, click on the second trader, click start. We've even found this trader making $300,000, 65% win rate, 132 times, individual buy of 1,800. Overall, this would be a decent trader. I like these type of trades. 1 buy, 1 sell, 17 minutes in between the trades. He's made 153,000 on this trade, 120,000, 16,000, 12,000, 7,000, 7,000. So he's making a lot of money. So let's say this is the trader that I do want to copy trade. We can directly copy trade him right here within TradeWiz. So we'll come down to the bottom, click create copy trading. Now, right here, we have all the specific settings that we can go through, and they give you the full analysis and understanding. But I'll quickly go through the settings that I do like to use now. Leave the tag, because you will need a tag for the trader. Then the target wallet is already being entered by TradeWiz. So we've got his wallet by percentage. So if we leave this at 100%, you'll be copy trading at the same percentage as this trader. We'll actually change this to enter in for something like 1 Solana on the maximum buy and maybe 0.2 on the minimum buy. So when he buys, the maximum buy that we'll enter for is 1 Solana. You can also select the total investment, but we'll leave that. Depending on the overall trader, if he's trading on pump fund, you might want to leave unrenounced and unburnt off, and even leave the minimum market cap off, because I've noticed that with my own copy trading, I've found some really profitable traders that are buying like 7K market cap coins, 15K market cap coins, and I'm being able to make some money because they're able to get in at a really low entry, obviously trading on pump fund. So I also leave copy pump fund on. I do also change these by gas fees. I do like to actually change this up. Normally for my gas fee, I'll put 0.00855, something like that is usually fantastic. And I'll copy that also for the sell. Usually I'll turn anti-MEV on as well and leave a bit of a tip. This overall lets you not get front run on your trades. Slippage is quite important. 10 or 15% here is really, really good for normal radium coins. And also pump fund slippage. Increasing this, you probably need something like between 25 and probably 40%. So maybe 30 or 35%. might be needed, especially when you're buying those low market cap coins. If you're buying at 10,000, what 35% move is when it moves to 13,500. So you do need to leave enough slippage overall, but it would depend on the trader that you are copy trading. In my course, I show you exactly how to analyze traders, see exactly what market cap coins they're trading, so you can actually optimize these settings, which overall makes you even more money. So you can make that $500 every single day copy trading. And once you're ready, you hit create right here. And now you're copy trading a top meme coin trader that was able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in the last 7 days. Now, as he profits in the market, we can begin to profit. So don't forget to use the link for TradeWiz in the video description, get that massive 10% off, and also check out my new copy trading masterclass that I just released. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.